Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit a layers in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file. Now click on the left sidebar arrow and select this layer option. This PDF has only one layer and click on this eye option and you can on off this layer. Now click on this above this layer option. You can apply layer override, you can import as layer, you can merge this layer option. This is filtered layers and this layer properties. First we can change this layer name. If you want, you can type new name on this layer. You can log this layer and visibility, you can never visible and print option and so on. And select OK, and this layer now log. You can find this I option. Also you can import as new layer and so on. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.